arugula, arugula, and mushrooms, mushrooms, mushrooms. So these are my chicken parts. So I've got thighs and wings, which are firmer, flavorful than breast. So the first thing we're gonna do, so I looked at some of the recipes and I kind of came up with my own. And since I've already done the marinade, I'm just kind of showing you my process. I'm cooking algorithm AI robot, who is the governor of all things. I'm cooking with some ginger. I'm cooking with some shallots. I'm cooking. So grate the ginger, chop up the shallots, chop up a couple cloves of garlic, and then generous amounts of soy sauce, a nice sprinkling of rice wine vinegar. If you got it, by all means, add a little sesame oil. Little goes a long way, but boy, it adds so much flavor. So then we have this. Ta-da! And the idea is to marinate it for 30 minutes. I think it's almost 30 minutes. So then what we're gonna do with that is we wanna cook it. But if we're gonna cook it, let's put a little sauce together. And the key ingredient, and you know how I hate to go to the store, but I actually had to go to the store because we were out of orange marmalade. So I got some orange marmalade. I'm cutting up an Anaheim chili right now, just so that my chicken has a little heat. Everything all together, and then we're gonna put on the chicken. I'm gonna just do, oh my God, I wish you had smell-o-vision. I'm sorry, I have to just briefly stop and talk about this thyme because I'm cooking. Because Katie said do orange and thyme, and so I'm listening to you. So I'm doing a mix here of flavors. No, I'm gonna do the sauce and pour it on because then it's gonna get more covered. Okay, so let's do, how many ounces is this? I wanna do at least 8 ounces. So probably about 2/3 of the jar. Marmalade, you know, you can do orange juice. And then I'm gonna add a little more soy sauce. Okay. Orange chicken, it's not good for you. So I tried to make a little healthier version. Okay, look at that. So now we're gonna, okay, so I'm gonna massage this sauce into the chicken. Now I have a variety of things here. So I've got chicken thighs with skin. Anything with skin, we want the skin side up. And then here's the wings. Wings are always delicious. And the key thing with wings is you want them crispy, right? So let's just put a little bit of zest. Let's get this in the oven.
So what are we doing right now?
Okay, I'm chunking this up because I'm gonna cook it in the stovetop. So I'm basically showing you, hey, orange chicken, 2 ways to make it. Okay, so I'm making it in the oven and I'm gonna make it in the stovetop.
Hosted by the one, the only, Daphne Brogdon.
Dun, 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 dun. But I never knew rice like this before. Open my eyes. The chicken, action shot. Dun, dun. Woo, chicken going in. All right.
The chicken fell out.
Let's dump all the sauce in, because why not? The marinade ain't going, it's not like it's gonna get better anywhere else. Are they kind of stewy and sweet? Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Okay, let's see where we are with our pearl couscous. Oh, looking good. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. So there's a little bit of a through line. I'm gonna actually put some zest. I'm gonna add orange zest. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the micro arugula. Let's taste them. I'm really hoping they have a bite. So boneless sauce here. So we can see. So we've got orange chicken effectively 3 ways. So we've got the boneless, the orange chicken that won't kill you. We got the chicken wings and the chicken thighs, and then the couscous with the micro arugula.